Hi, I'm Cindy Hazard, and welcome to my new listing here at David Avenue. Part of what makes this listing so cool is that it's on a private street, so you actually own the 2 parking spots in front of your home. This home is an original 1938 bungalow, so it's got a lot of the charm that came with the home. I think you'll really enjoy this backyard. You have everything from a fire pit, to a couch, to a barbecue, to a mini bar with an outdoor screen or TV. It's an entertainer's place. One of my favorite parts about this home is the commutability. You can walk to the Culver City Arts District. You also are able to get right on the 405 and the 10, hit downtown Santa Monica, or shoot up La Cienega or Robertson to Beverly Hills and Hollywood. It's all right at your fingertips from this location.